Creating a sheet metal drawing is similar to that of non-sheet metal drawings. First, to create a drawing of just a flat pattern from a Part Studio, right-click on the flat pattern and select Create Drawing of Flat Pattern. Choose a template, view type, and click OK. A drawing opens automatically with Insert View activated. Set view parameters and left-click to place the flat pattern onto the drawing. Place additional projected views of the flat pattern if required. Adding folded views is identical to non-sheet metal parts. Click Insert View, then Insert. Select a part and set view parameters. Place the view in any additional required views. Alternatively, create a new drawing. Select Insert View and click Insert. Filter for flat patterns and select the corresponding flat pattern. Like the previous example, set view properties and place the view. Add additional views as required. In this example, a drawing exists but is missing the flat pattern. Similar to the previous example, select Insert View and click Insert. Filter for flat patterns and select the corresponding flat pattern. Set view properties and place the view. Dimensioning a flat pattern is no different than any other model view. Select Dimension, pick required entities, and place them appropriately. Bend notes appear automatically on the flat pattern. To hide, right-click on a bend note or the flat pattern and select Hide Bend Notes. Adjust the bend note position by dragging the node and reattach it to the bend line by dropping the note close to it. To hide the bend center line, right-click on the flat pattern, hover over Show Hide, and select Hide Bend Lines. To show, repeat the same steps but choose Show Bend Lines instead. To change the bend tangent edge display, right-click on the flat pattern, hover over tangent edges, and select Hidden, Solid, or Phantom.